Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As the title suggests, today we have a very exciting PR haul with Social Little Thing, and I did a PR haul with them at Christmas time and they sent amazing brands for me to show you about. During this time we all need a little bit of a pamper, and I know that some of these items are going to be things that we can do to ourselves, apply to ourselves really easily and have that instant sort of pick me up. So lockdown has been absolutely crazy for so many people. It's something that's kind of pulled us apart but brought us together. But all of us need that little bit of pampering. We need to, make sure that it's self-care, and sometimes that comes in the form of making yourself look good as well as looking after your insides and your mental well-being. And I know that the brands in here are already ones that we know and love, with a couple of new ones for us to get introduced to. So first of all, they have sent the boxes. There's 2 boxes inside this big one here, and they are my favorite colour. I mean, that's just a coincidence, but hey, always appreciated. But inside this first box here, we have got vegan skincare protection. So let's have a little look at these. I think that's their name as well. It's called Like It on Top. So let's have a look what we have got in here. So it says it's a 4-step kit. So cleansing, double cleansing, toning, and an oil cleansing protection. So different things to try. Let's have a little look at these. And it also says, please shake, stroke to avoid turmeric blocking the pump. So that's quite nice that they've given us that little bit of a tip there. So this is the first item, and this is called Stroke. This is the double cleansing protection. It says apply to a dry face or wet face and rub to lather. And if you're interested in what is inside here, it says argan oil, ginger oil, turmeric, aloe vera, vitamin E, citric acid, and I'm sorry, I'm going to say this wrong, but decyl glycoside. I'm sorry if I've got that totally wrong, but this looks really interesting, and actually I would like to try a new cleanser. So this has come at the best time ever. So let's have a look at the next item from them. If you haven't noticed, I really am trying to use more natural ingredients. I'm doing it slowly, but just like I did with my food, I'm just trying to use more natural things. So Fortify Toning Protection, apply to a cleansed face, and this looks amazing. Rose floral water, aloe vera, citric acid, vitamin E, and pink rose petals. But oh my goodness me, look at those rose petals in there. That's amazing. So I don't think I've ever had anything with rose petals inside, and if you've been watching my vlogs, you know I'm a little bit obsessed with my roses in my garden. My white roses are my faves, so I'm excited to try that. I know rose is really good for your skin, so if you're interested in any sort of vegan skincare, definitely have a little look at that, and I can keep you up to date on if I use this skincare brand, sort of what it does for my skin. So the next one is Filth. I love the names of these, by the way. So we've got Fortify, Stroke, and Filth so far. Dirt cleaning protection, and this again is applied to a dry face or wet face and rub to lather. And this has got jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, pumpkin seed oil, glycerin, vitamin E, and lemongrass oil. So again, really natural, really lovely. And I haven't smelled any of these. Why haven't I opened them to smell them? Let me smell them. Ooh, that smells like sherbet. Oh, that's really nice. And our very last item in here is called Sustain, and this is also absolutely packed full of what look like little flower petals. So let's have a look what this says. It says it's got, rose petals again. So vitamin E, mandarin oil, rosehip oil, almond oil, argan oil, and avocado oil. For some reason I read that from the bottom up. Goodness knows why. But this again is an oil cleansing protection, so apply to dry face after cleansing and toning, or wet face and rub to lather. So I think I'm going to do a little bit more research on this brand, because these items look really, really interesting, and I would love to keep you updated. If you want to know though, it's www.likeitontop.com, and I will pop that on the screen for you to have a little look at yourselves, guys. Can't believe I almost missed these three. What are these? Are these miniatures? Oh my goodness, they're three of the little Sustain oils as well. Yes, Loon, that's right. So we've got 3 little minis of these as well, which, how lovely is that? I'm sure Adam would love one of these as well. Oh my gosh, guys. So that is so nice. So I've got 4 of those little Sustains. Love that. I really can't wait to sort of explain what those do for my skin. So that was our first beautiful blue box. We're on to the second one now. So let's have a look what is inside this one. This one is full of brands. I bet the majority of them you already know, but I know there's some that I don't know about in here. But one of them I've heard of. I'm excited to try. Let's go in first of all with these nails, and they know my colour palette. They know exactly what I would actually wear. And this is Elegant Touch, so just a lovely, lovely nail brand. So Elegant Touch London, and they have sent 4 packs of amazing coloured nails that are right up my street, may I say. And I tried to give my nails a little rest. Last night was the first time in weeks that I think I put like a gel polish on my nails. So this will be a nice quick way for me to just pop something on. And I know in lockdown, guys, majority of us haven't got gel kits at home. We haven't got somebody that can come pop over safely and do this for us. So these, something quick that you can buy to make yourself feel a lot better. Just, I think our hands, because we look at them quite a lot when we're doing things, if our hands look presentable, I think we kind of feel a little bit more presentable. So these colours would be great. So here we've got Mauve Madness to have a little look at. We've got, this one's an interesting one. This is called Doubled Up. So this, love the oval shape as well, by the way. But if you can see, it's sort of half and half, but they're both kind of neutralish colours. I think the one's a little bit more orange in a way that I would wear it. Then, of course, we've got a French pink, and this is in 126. Nice square shape as well, so these look great. Love French, classic French. And these ones are called Striptease, and they're a really pretty pink colour, and they've got a minimal amount of glitter on them, just on a few of those fingertips. So I think if you're not a massive glitter person, but you want something to make you feel a little bit, you know, special, then go for something like this. Just noticed on the back, it says, worried about glue damage? Try our Nail Saviour Protective Glue Barrier. Well, that sounds really good, actually, because I know that that was one thing that used to annoy me a little bit, was like trying to get off the glue afterwards. So that is pretty good. Then, something to sort of like spice things up a little bit, we have got a set of red nails. Now, I'm not adverse to colour. I know I don't wear it sort of often, but these would be something that I would put on if I was going to like a Christmas party or something. This is my colour for then. Okay, we are then on to something that, oh my goodness, guys. You need these in your life. If you've been going to the salons and you've been in the past having your eyes tinted, you've been having your eyelashes tinted, you've been having your brows tinted. These are so easy to use. This is the Eyelure London. It's a brow tint kit and a lash tint kit. And I have used these and they are so easy to use, but they give you really, really good results. My tip for using these would be to make sure you've got an eye bath with you. So only apply a tiny little bit at a time if you're doing your lashes. And I would say apply a little bit and take off sooner than you think you need to, so that you don't go too dark. But I have got a video on that. I will link that if you want a little bit of instructions if you're going to go and pick these up. I'm telling you, this lasts up to 6 weeks. It says on the front. So lasts up to 6 weeks, under 5 minutes application, and you'll get up to 8 applications out of these boxes. And mine are running out, so I am glad I'm glad that they have sent these. I'll let you know what's inside as well. So inside you've got mascara wands, you've got activating gel, you've got developer gel and an instruction leaflet, and the same kind of thing in here, but you've got an applicator bottle instead of the gel. Amazing, guys, honestly. This is so nice as well, I think, for when you wake up in the next morning and you haven't got any makeup on, and you know when you sort of glance yourself in the mirror and sometimes you're like, oh, I'll put some makeup on after the shower. But with this, you just feel like it gives your eyes a little bit more definition. Your eyebrows look more shapely. Honestly, if you haven't done it before, do it, guys. And then these, I think, are not as hard to apply to yourself as you think they're going to be, but these are the Isla London individuals, and we got here, so there's 2 packs in here, short, medium and long, and you just need to get yourself a little tweezer basically. And I like to do this with my eyes open, and I always start on the outer part of my eye. So I grab maybe a medium, maybe a long, but you don't have to put glue on it first of all. You can just place it with a tweezer and just see if it's the right size for you. But inside these you've got short, medium and long, and you can place them wherever you like. So you can put loads on there to give a really thick lash look, or you can just do sort of space them out a little bit and you'll get more of a natural look. But again, this says approximately 8 applications, and I suppose you'll get more out of them if you're doing less on each eye as well. And inside the boxes, you have got a glue and a remover. The remover is very, very important. So I'm so glad they've added these in here. So can you imagine waking up in the morning, your lashes are dyed, you've got some eyelashes on making you feel a little bit fancy, your brows are done, your nails are done. Now, I can see some more things in here that are gonna make us look even better. I have heard about this lady. However, I have not tried her products. So this is a self-tanning brand that I'm very, very into my self-tan at the moment. This is called Bare by Vogue Williams. So yeah, haven't tried it. Excited that it has been sent. So this is self-tan foam in dark, and I'll pop a few of the pictures from their website on screen so you can have a little look. But these are vegan as well, which is great. So you know nobody's been hurt in the process of this, guys. There's also the self-tan lotion in dark. So you know if you're not really a foam sort of person, you prefer a lotion, you've got 2 different things you can go for. There's a face tanning mist in medium, also a beautiful colour bottle, may I say, and a self-tan eraser. Who doesn't need a self-tan eraser in their life? This is amazing. Quick and easy to use, instantly removes tan, leaves skin hydrated and moisturised. You do not want to strip your skin of the natural oils. So this is really, really good. And this just says you need to leave for 3 to 5 minutes and use an exfoliating mitt to wash off the excess. So I'm gonna have a smell of this because, oh, what is that smell? That is nice. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that smells really fruity. Finally, a tan that doesn't just smell like coconut. I really, really love the smell of that. Okay, I wish I had opened this sooner because I tanned last night, but hey, you know, could try again, surely. They have also supplied a luxury tanning mitt. Great as well that it has got the thumb hole, because sometimes, you know, when your hand's inside of a mitt and then you're like, it's kind of like moving all around the place. I tend to spread my fingers inside the mitt. Never have too many tanning mitts, but this is what we're looking like. Lovely velour, waterproof on the inside as well, which is very, very important, okay? And there's an exfoliating mitt as well. I am interested to see what this is like in comparison to what I'm using right now. But so nice to have another exfoliator mitt in my life. Do exfoliating mitts just make you excited to go and exfoliate? Because if not, then I'm newly sad one here. Okay, so you know that you've just done your lashes, okay? You've used your Eyelure lashes, and you're gonna go to sleep. You're gonna smush them everywhere. Well, look what we've been saying. So we've got a contoured 3D blackout sleep mask. This says the original, and this is by Smug. So how good is that? It's got a really pretty pattern on this side of it, but yet on the inside it's contoured so that your lashes are not going to hit the inside of it. How do I look? Ooh, what's really good is that it's Velcro as well. So if it's too tight on you or too small, you know, you can just adjust. I don't think I've ever seen an eye mask with a Velcro back. Maybe I'm deprived in my life. That is gonna make all of the difference, I think. It's nice and soft as well, because you don't wanna be popping anything on your face that isn't soft, especially, you know, people getting spots and things from masks at the moment. You do not wanna be getting spots around your eyes either. So it's important to go for something that's nice and smooth. We have a 20% off code as well for Smug, which says Smug Club 20. I'll pop it on the screen, I'll pop it in the description box below. So go and have a little look at those, because it looks like they don't only do, by the little pictures, just looks like they don't only do masks. So go and have a little browse at those. I have 3 items left. Let's go with this one first. So this is Dr. Lipp Tint Sweet Potato Pigment in here. Sweet potatoes are very, very good for you. This is a tint, so it's a little bit of a pink tint inside, but you know I tend to only wear pinks and browns, so this has been a fabulous box. But Dr. Lipp is fab. I've got a few of the products upstairs. I was actually introduced to the brand by Social Little Thing at Christmas time, and I need to talk about this brand more on my vlogs, I think, as well, because you should go and have a little look at these. They're really moisturizing. But I feel like these 2 items I should have pulled out before I pulled out the nails, because you're going to want to prep your nails obviously before you pop anything on. And again, something that's so easy to use. So we've got Elegant Touch London, really, really well-known brand that you can pick up, but we've got 2 files in here. And if you're anything like me, I go through one file really quickly. So definitely good having 2 and not 1. If you're a newbie at filing your own nails, if you've been used to going to the salon when it hasn't been locked down, there are actually instructions on the back of here of how to simply and safely do this at home without damaging your nails. But it says there are 2 sides to each one, which is great. So 180 and 240 grit levels on there. So each one will have a different filing effect, and it's good that they're curved as well, because they just follow like the natural shape of your nail. So really, really good and easy to use. And then this one by Elegant Touch London is the Cuticle Pusher and Cleaner. So what this does, you've got the one end that you can push back your cuticles, and this I find when you remove your cuticles and then like put an oil on afterwards, your hands look so much cleaner and tidier. So if you haven't done this before, it's worth giving this a try, okay? But yeah, push back your cuticles really gently using this. I would recommend soaking your fingers in like a warm water first of all, and then when you've done that, you've got like a little tiny blade on the other end, which you can just take off the bits that you've pushed back to keep your nails looking tidy. This has also got instructions on the back for you to follow. So again, if you're a newbie, you don't even need to listen to me, guys. Just have a little look at the back of this. A massive thank you to Social Little Thing for sending these things out to me and for introducing me to more new brands again. And as always, I will try these things and I will keep you updated during my weekly vlogs. Let me know if you've tried any of these things before or if you're going to. But thank you so much for watching as always and for your support. Leave me a thumbs up and I will speak to you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.